guys, it's Moshi and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I will be having a tutorial on how to make this video. So yeah, so if you want to know how I edit this video, so please keep on watching. So open the Capcut and new project. Select the video that you already recorded, the way you kiss, just like that. So I'll find my video. So there it is. Select and add. And we need to trim this video. So split, I need to split this and delete like that. Just follow me in a hand sign. There's someone who like that. And I'll find some photo of Taeyong that just like a PNG photo. Well, I remove the background on the background remover on Google. So there it is. I'll just put it here, just like that, the way they look at me. So I just need to find the split. I took some minutes to discover where it is, but I can't find it. So I'll just try. No, it's not layers. It's not crop. So I decided to make it longer. And I just click it again and find it again. But I couldn't find it. So I tried this mask. So there it is. Click the split and follow me on how I do it, just like that. Next, I need to make it have a movement of Taeyong. I just need to adjust this. And yeah, the way they hold my chin, Taeyong will appear just like that. So decided to adjust it more like that, the fade of split, and that's it. I just need the movement. So we need to click. So I'll just need to adjust. So I'm adding audio to be more connect. So I'll just export this video. the sound. So that's it. Oh no. So I just need to adjust. So next is we need to have a movement of the young. We need to adjust. We need to click. We need to click the upper portion, like there a plus sign this, but I couldn't click it, so I just try it again. Why I can't do it? I can't click it. We need to click it again, so yeah, and I can click it and adjust the photo of the young, just like that. Then you need to adjust it more closely to me, so feel just like that. And next is we need to be more, I need to adjust it, the angle, so yeah. Oh my god. So another adjustment, just like that. You need to follow, you just need to follow what I do in my tutorial, so you can perfectly do this thing. So yeah, I decided to split it up to be more true. So yeah, another adjustment. Oh no. I'm just fangirling about Taeyong. Belated happy birthday, Taeyong. So yeah, on and bit closer, just like that. Oh no, another adjustment. You just need to follow me. sakto ba ni siya. So yeah, so we need to export it. After that, we can go to Play Store and search Megaphoto, and then we need to install it and open and find the like a flash warning sign, and no, it's not a sign, effect. There's a red, blue, green filter like this. So we need to open the settings and click the image video from library and click the video that the one who the export, and we need to record it like that. After we record all the video, we need to save it. We can go back to the Capcut and click the new project and click the exported video on the Capcut. So there it is, and we need to split it up and delete the last part, and we need to add the video that we export in the Megaphoto. So we need to adjust where when they stop and split and delete. So like that, we need to adjust it more to able to crop the Megaphoto watermark. A little bit more zoom like that. So final result. Okay, and before that, the audio is back to 0, so we need to add again the sound. So I'll just find my other video. So I extracted the video into a sound. So there it is. After that, we need to edit the ending and export it. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy and also you learn how to edit this video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated for more tutorial videos and vlogs. So bye, see you in my next video. God bless.